Food entered the mouth. Saliva moistens it. The teeth and tongue break it down mechanically. An enzyme in the saliva called salivary amylase breaks the food down into starch. Chewing in digestion will convert the food into a small round blob or bolus. This enables a person to swallow it easily. After swallowing, the bolus enters the esophagus, where gravity and muscle contractions help move it down to the stomach through a process called peristalsis. Peristalsis is the slow contraction of smooth muscles along and around the digestive system as the bolus goes down through the esophagus. These contractions push it toward the stomach. The bolus enters the stomach through a ring-like muscle called the lower esophageal sphincter. This sphincter relaxes, allowing the bolus to enter the stomach. The stomach stores the food. Temporarily, cells in the stomach start to secrete gastric juices. These include hydrochloric acid, which maintains the pH of the stomach between 1.5 to 2.0. The stomach has 3 muscular layers that churn and mix its contents. These processes turn the food into a thick paste known as chyme. The stomach does not absorb many nutrients from the chyme into the bloodstream. The chyme enters the small intestine through the pyloric sphincter. The small intestine is around 6 meters long and absorbs around 90% of the nutrients from food into the bloodstream. There are 3 parts of the small intestine: duodenum and ileum. Once the food is fully broken down, the villi absorb the nutrients which enter the bloodstream. Takes about 2 to 4 days. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more medical music videos. Thanks for watching.